All right, good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast, Napoleon Macro. A little ASMR, interesting analysis. So on the last video post on the US30, it looks like everything has played out exactly as we predicted. And what we're going to do is just come on and show you guys a simple range that the market may be stuck within over the next 2 to 3 weeks, I'm going to say. I don't know about the third week, but 2 to 3 weeks, I'll say comfortably. So let's get into the details. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we only explore price action. Thanks for sticking around, loyal subscribers. Let's dive to the charts, shall we? So today is January the 26th, 2025, and the current price of US30 is going to be $44,192.72, slightly negative 0.3% for the day. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you guys are doing well. So if you are new, just a little credentials check on our last video post. It looks like everything has played out perfect. 3 weeks ago, we made a prediction about a range within 41.8 up to 42.6, as you can see here on the video. And of course, that has played out perfect. I think the video post was like January the 3rd, right around here. Came up to the top, to the bottom, and right to that 44.4K level. Hopefully we're leaving a link for the video. So now that that has played out perfect, what I'm seeing now is I think that the market is just going to be stuck within a range. Let's go ahead and pull up that range for you guys. Take a look at the daily candles, by the way. So I do think the 44.4K level is still relevant. I think the sellers are going to continue to maintain weekly candles closing below that level. Okay, so hopefully you caught that, guys. Weekly candles. I think it'll, let's see if we can pull up the weekly candles here. So I think it's gonna like wick above that level. I think they're gonna attempt to. Don't quote me on it if it doesn't happen, guys. And this is just my speculative observation at this point. Not gonna get them all right, but I think 44.4 is where the sellers are going to maintain control and maintain the weekly candles closing below that level. Okay, so that's a 44.4K level. All right, so to the downside, I think that the range that I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I think it's just going to be stuck within this range. Okay, let's put it right around 43.2. So over the next 2 weeks, I'm comfortable with saying, I'm not sure if it'll be 3 weeks, but let's of course give it 3 weeks, infamous 3 weeks. I just think the US30 is going to bounce within this range. 42.3, I'm sorry, why do I keep saying that? 43.2 up to the 444K level. All right, so let's see if I can get this right, 2 out of 2. All right, that first call was perfect. All right, but I think it's just going to be bouncing in here. So let me know if it actually came to fruition. If you're watching this a week or two, well, at least 3 weeks out, right? Because it's a 2 to 3 week prediction. Let me know, did it play out? Are we still within this range? Let me know that information down in the comment section. So I do think that, so that's basically all the levels, guys. We'll just close it out here. I think that the sentiment in the market, I haven't literally check what the actual sentiment is, but I think overall people are still somewhat bearish, right? They're pessimistic. Is that how you say it? Yeah. Their pessimism or on the market is just still at a higher level. And I don't think people are like super bullish at these levels. So I'm going to say that the market buyers are going to maintain that push, right? That trajectory attempt with respect to the range that we just went over, right? That 444K level, I think gonna be a pretty powerful level. Not saying it won't close above that level, but I think that the sellers are going to attempt, right, to maintain control below that level, even at a surface level. If it's just kind of hanging out near that level, you know, between 44,000 up to like 44, just kind of a tight range, right? Within like days or even up to a week, just know that I don't think this is going to be like an easy shorting opportunity, right? Just by the pure story that I understand, my experience, which is not a lot. Okay, guys, I do think that right now is the time where they're going to stall the market. All right. I don't think there's going to be much activity going on over the next 2 weeks comfortably, possibly up to 3 weeks. I'll give you guys an update as needed, but closing out, that's my speculative observation. All right, stuck in the range. Let's summarize everything. 43.2 up to 444. All right, 44.4K level. US30 just bouncing around, just kind of hanging out at the higher levels. That's the range, guys. That's all I have. I know you guys want me to say, hey, buy on this day at this time, some of you, but hopefully the levels, you guys can use the levels and they're pretty good. You can kind of use them with the strategy that you're currently using, right? Not my strategy. And yeah, that's all I have for you wonderful folks. Let me know, did it play out? And hopefully you guys are doing well. And hopefully you enjoy the ASMR that we have on the channel from time to time. So we'll close things out, guys. So if you don't mind doing me a huge favor before you go, by simply leaving an appropriate thumb, I would appreciate it on the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video on the channel. Thank you for your continued ears and support. If you guys are new, we also explored the alternative market, Bitcoin, Dogecoin for now. So you can kindly join us here on this interesting journey, and we'll send that out to you momentarily. Welcome in. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your time. Remember to always have a strategy before you enter the market. Keep that positive energy flowing. We'll talk soon, and bye for now. And guys and gals, blow out my candle.